In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on your G35 INFINITI. Go ahead and remove the under splash tray right now. Our vehicle does not have one. Using a 14 millimeter, we're going to loosen the nut on the idler pulley. Just like that. And then we'll loosen the main stud. Using a 12 millimeter socket, loosen the tensioner pulley. And do the same thing on the other side. Loosen the tensioner pulley. And then go ahead and remove both belts. Install the belt around the crank, on the inside grooves, put it around the tensioner and around the compressor. Using a 12 millimeter socket, we are going to tighten the tensioner pulley. Once your belt is nice and tight, go ahead and tighten the nut on the tensioner pulley. Torque this to 26 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Install the alternator belt. Tighten the tensioner down. Once your belt is nice and tight, go ahead and snug down the nut on the tensioner pulley. Torque this bolt to 26 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. At this point, go ahead and install your bottom splash shield if your car has one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.